Now guys, I would like to speak about modulo. What does it mean? It's a reminder after integer division. So what does it mean? So for example, if I will print 13 modulo 5. Modulo is this mark. It means percentage in a normal way, but here it means modulo. So what is the result if I will run it? You can see it's number 3. So what does it mean? Why is number 3? Because how many times is 5 in 13? 2 times, right? 2 times multiplied by 5 is 10, and what is remainder? Remainder is 3. I hope it makes sense. Another example. We have something like this. What will be the result? The result is 1. So y is 1. How many times is 2 in 9? 4 times, right? 4 times multiplied by 2 is 8, and what is remainder? It's number 1. I will print, for example, something like this. So the result will be 3, or the remainder will be 3. So what does it mean? How many times is 15 in 33? 2 times. 2 times by, or 2 multiplied by 15 is 30. And what is remainder? 3. Okay? If I will, one more example. So what does it mean this? So we have 10. How many times is 10 in 78? 7 times. Okay? 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 8. Okay? So I hope now you understand what modulo means.